Why now is the best time to do global professional courses? KPMG, Deloitte, E&Y, and many more companies are hiring professionals who have sound understanding of IFRS, global taxation, and its strategic finance things. No visa, no relocation, just skill is required for getting the opportunity. What are the factors we need to consider more and more while choosing a professional course? Hello everyone, I am Prakash Saraf, and if you have ever thought doing a global professional qualification like ACCA, CIMA, CMA US, CPA US, Diploma IFRS, and many more, then I want to tell you one thing. Now is the right time to start. Not next year, not when the job gets better, right now. Let me show you why in my 6 points. The first factor is global demand for finance professional courses. We are in a world where every multinational company and tech startups is hiring strategic finance professionals who have knowledge of IFRS, taxation, and strategic finance. Say for example, KPMG, Deloitte, E&Y, and many more companies are hiring professionals who have sound understanding of IFRS, global taxation, and its strategic finance things. These courses teach these things only. So when I say global demand for professional courses, I really mean it. Your career is no longer limited by any geography by doing these courses. The second factor, the job market is now boundaryless, borderless. Post-COVID, companies are hiring not based on location, based on skills. Remote work and outsourcing have grown up like anything in last 4 to 5 years. I am giving a practical example from my class. One of the students studied CMA US from Hyderabad, working for a US company, completely sitting in India in his home and working on remote basis. This is the need of the hour. No visa, no relocation, just skill is required for getting the opportunities. So these qualifications are your passport to a global career without leaving your home, without leaving your country. Third factor is career growth is fast with global professional courses. You don't need to take 10 years or more to reach to the top level. These courses help you to achieve your dreams, to achieve the desired objective in just 12 to 24 months of study. Say for example, if you are BCom plus ACCA or BCom plus CIMA or BCom plus CMA, because so many universities are offering BCom plus combined courses, and at the same time along with your graduation you can pursue these courses and you will become a financial analyst, risk manager. You can lead an FP&A role in 3 to 4 years only. If you want to start, this is the time you should start today. This is your career path for success. The fourth factor is you can learn globally without leaving home. You don't need to travel abroad to do these courses. Before 2008, a student need to go in that country, give the exam. Now the exams are held in India and everywhere in the world. So the flexibility is there. We at Saraf Academy has personally, me and my team has personally teaching students from 30 plus countries. And we have the foolproof system of taking live classes, backup recording, doubt solving, and proper study structured plan, which will help you to pass these exams, competitive exams, in one go. We have built our platform and the system for working professionals, for homemakers, for students, and for anyone from any part of the world. You can study global courses at your own pace, sitting in home. Don't need to go anywhere. So flexibility is there, which you can enjoy by doing these courses. The fifth factor is your competition is already doing it. Let me be honest that when you are thinking about this, there are so many who have already registered for these courses. Believe me, I am meeting on daily basis students and professionals from different parts of the world who are studying CPA, ACCA, CMA US, CIMA, all these courses. And believe me, soon these won't be any extra value addition only. They will be the minimum expectation by the employer. Don't be someone catching up later. You need to start now. The sixth factor is small investment, big return. People think that global courses are very costly. No, they are not. Because compared to an MBA in India or maybe abroad, the investment in these courses are peanuts. As compared to Indian professional courses also, the cost is not high. And the return on investment is amazing. Say for example, a CMA US qualified persons can earn 10 to 15 lakh in just 3 to 4 years. Investment of 1 year, investment of 1.5 lakh. A CPA US ACCA qualified and CIMA qualified member can even earn more just by investing 12 to 24 months and investing a small amount of money. It's a low cost investment going to give you high return in your career aspirations. So my final message to all of you, learning is flexible and accessible. Hiring is also global and opportunities are endless. So while doing any professional course, maybe national or international or global, what are the factors you consider other than these 6 which I said? That this is the factors should also be taken into consideration. I want to know and I want to clarify on that. Let's continue this discussion about what are the factors we need to consider more and more while choosing a professional course. Me, Prakash Saraf at Saraf Academy, teaching for more than 25 years, taught more than 2 lakh students in my life. And let's build your career, global professional career together. The time is now. Your journey starts today. Please DM me or visit our websites for any clarifications. We are always there. Thank you.